Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Dr. 𝐖𝐡𝐚𝐭𝐬𝐀 and I'm hoping that you all are making good money along with StockPro. So, yesterday's video I have given Dixon Tech, I have given a lot of stocks, Bank of Baroda, 𝐾𝐚𝐕𝐄, PNB, almost quite a lot of them gave good breakout and after that market got a resistance. So today what I'm going to do, I'm going to be discussing about Nifty, Bank Nifty and their stance and where could be expiry that could be expected because tomorrow is going to be Wednesday and Thursday is expiry. So if you notice here, this is Bank Nifty's future that I have put on the chart. It got precise resistance from 35,600 and today after opening slightly gap down, it tried to go up, again got resistance at 35,475 and after that it got resistance almost 3 times from the same level. And after that market Bank Nifty started falling down. It actually had a big fall once it crossed its day's low, which is 35,275. And after that it had a good breakdown of about 150 points. But what I wanted to show, what I believe, that there has been a huge buying that has come into these candles. Let me mark the candles. There is this candle out here. This is one candle and this is my second candle where the huge amount of buying has come. And if you notice one more thing which I would like you people to notice very clearly, Bank Nifty has taken support from this level. When other day it fell to this level, which is 35,068, it took an support and bounced back from here. So what am I expecting tomorrow? If there is a gap down opening and it happens below this, then there may be a further fall that can be expected. In case it falls, it opens in this gap, then there may be a bounce from this level. Right now the level of 35,070 is going to behave as a resistance in case Bank Nifty opens below this level. Then it will try to go up and it may experience a resistance and may further come down, or in case it opens here, it opens somewhere here between 35,070 and 35,110 and crosses the level of above 35,100, 110, then an upward move till about 35,275 can be expected. So as of now, Bank Nifty looks under stress for sure. So once again, I'm going to repeat, there are different possibilities for opening. In case Bank Nifty opens below 35,000 in the futures, then we will expect a further fall down because this was a very, very strong support zone. In case Bank Nifty manages to close like open above it, then there could be a resistance that can be expected at, like what could be expected in case Bank Nifty opens here. Then it may go up and further take a resistance and come down. If it opens between these two lines, then there is a possibility either way the trading may happen. If this level is crossed, it may go up, and if this level is crossed, it may go down. And if it opens here, then I'm expecting it to go till about 35 to 80 and then experience a resistance. In case it manages the resistance, it crosses this resistance with volume, then the next level that I'm expecting is 34,475. So Bank Nifty trading is going to be very, very tricky for tomorrow. What I'm going to do, we will see through what is happening in the option chain. Let's go to the option chain and quickly have a look into option chain. This is the option chain. If you notice, there has been a huge in the money put option unwinding. Even at the level of 35,000, there has been a huge put unwinding. It's a big sign. That means expiry is expected to be at the level of 35,000. And if you notice, there has been a call writing at the level of 35,100. People are expecting that it may go below 35,100. Definitely there is huge call writing at the level of 35,300. So market, when I say market, means Bank Nifty is not going to go up 35,300. But a support definitely exists at 35,000 because that is where huge unwinding has happened. Even the call unwinding has happened at the same level. So 35,000 looks a very, very strong support zone. and a resistance appears to be at 35,300. Let's similarly look into Nifty. What is happening in Nifty? Nifty looks more bearish to me because see here, huge in the money put call writing at 16,000. And definitely there is a huge amount of call writing happening at all the levels starting from 16,100, 150, 200, 250, 300 levels. And there is call unwinding happening at the level of 15,950. So Nifty definitely is under this stress, and what I'm going to do, I will do analysis of Nifty as well for you. So Nifty refused to cross its morning high. That was a sign that uh, Nifty is not planning to go up, and then it formed a double top, almost the similar structure for Nifty and Bank Nifty, and it has come down. Now, because Nifty and Bank Nifty, both of them are looking weak, I have two sell stocks on my radar. The first stock that I have on my radar is Chola Finance. The first stock that I have on my radar is Chola Finance. So this is how Chola Finance looks on a shorter time frame. But what I want you people to see is how it looks on a bigger time frame. The bigger time frame that I would like to take is 1 day. If you have a look at 1 day time frame, it has been trading in a channel. So it has been trading in a channel. If I draw another line here, maybe you can shift it here. So this was a channel that has been formed. Either it's going to take a support from this level, which is 618.8, or if it breaks, then a good fall till about 600 can surely be expected. So that's my first stock for selling. The next stock for selling that I have on my radar is Glenmark. So Glenmark is again looking very bearish to me at this point of time, and the reason is that it stands on a very strong support zone. Today's candle was open equal to high, and there has been a price rejection from the higher levels at the level of 400. Today it took a resistance from almost like 890. Going below 377, we can further see a fall till about 360. So these are the two stocks that look very negative to me: Chola Finance and Glenmark Pharma. Two stocks that look very positive to me. One of them is MCX. MCX had unusual volumes today. A huge volumes have been traded today, and the volumes have been much higher than the previous few days. And it has very nicely broken the past barrier, but the closing is between the previous few days itself. So going above 1355 is going to be our entry point, and our target could be about 1400 or 1395. So MCX is one positive stock that I can see. The next positive stock that is on my radar is VEDL. In case market remains positive, in case metal Nifty is positive, then a breakout can be expected above 238. So two positive stocks, two negative stocks, but the stance of Nifty and Bank Nifty both are very negative. Particularly Nifty is surely extremely negative. So be careful in your longs for tomorrow. Take care. See you in the next video. And before I forget, you must join me for the live trading every day, and the link of that you can find in the description box. You can join my Telegram channel by clicking at the Telegram link, which is given in the description box. See you in the live market tomorrow at 10 a.m. Make money along with us. We are all waiting for you, and all the mentors give you the best of research. Take care. Bye bye. See you.